In this video tutorial, we will see how to print triangle pattern. Here, the first line begins with 4 space characters appended with single star space character. Second line begins with 3 space characters appended with 2 star space character. Third line begins with 2 space characters appended with 3 star space character. Fourth line begins with 1 space character appended with 4 star space character. And fifth line begins with star space character and there are 5 star space characters. Along with every star, there is 1 space character. We have combined star space character here. Let's move to Visual Studio and execute this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable with 0, I equal to 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than, we want to iterate the pattern 5 times. I less than 5. At the end of every iteration, we need to increase I value by 1. Otherwise, this while will become an infinite while loop and we will not get required output. Here, for the first iteration, I value is 0. At the end of iteration, I value is going to increase by 1. 0 plus 1 is going to become 1. Now, for the second iteration, I value is 1. For the third iteration, I value is 2. For the fourth iteration, I value is 3. And for the fifth iteration, I value is 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5. Condition will fail and our iteration will stop here. Now, let's see how to print value. Print. Here, we are taking 1 space character and in the first line, there are 4 number of spaces appended with single star space character and that is 1 time. Similarly, in the second line, we have 3 space characters appended with 2 star space character. In the third line, we have 2 space characters appended with 3 star space character. In the fourth line, we have 1 space character appended with 4 star space character. In the fifth line, we don't have any space and there are 5 star space character. Let's write the exact code. Space character. We can see here the number of spaces are decreasing from 4 to 0 line by line. Here we have a variable I. We can take a fixed number of value 4 for minus I. So 4 minus I of the first iteration, I value is 0. 4 minus 0 is going to give 4. Then I value is increase. 4 minus 1, 3. Now in the third iteration, I value is 2. 2 minus 2, which is going to give us this result. Then 4 minus 3, which is going to give us 1. And 4 minus 4, which is going to give us 0. Space is appended with star space character, that is one time. I value is 0 in the first iteration. We can add I value with 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4 is going to give us 5 value. Comment these lines. Execute the code in our terminal. Run py triangle.py file. This is our expected pattern. We can increase number of lines. Then we need to modify this code here. 5. Let's print the output. We can use for loop in place of while loop. We can use any other character in place of star. And there are various other methods to execute this code. In the next video tutorial, we will see how to print reverse triangle pattern.